Today on The Intern, we have Alicia Jackson Warren, Program Director of Career Development and Internships at Prince George's Community College.
Hello, I'm Alicia Jackson Warren. I serve as the Program Director of Career Development and Internships at Prince George's Community College. And I'm delighted to share information about our internship program. At Prince George's Community College, we are keen on preparing our students and positioning our students for a bright future. And that's what we do. It is our heart, our mission, and our vision. Internships has been a major part of my life, especially as a student and as a professional. As it happens, it was the internship that I had at Prince George's Community College that transitioned me from being a student to a professional. I was enrolled at George Mason University in Fairfax, Virginia, in a graduate program that required an internship for program completion. My husband suggested that I apply to Prince George's Community College for an adjunct position that would satisfy my program's internship requirement. I applied and subsequently received a phone call from Professor Ana Echevarri-Daly, who was the coordinator for the Spanish program here at the college. We had a telephonic interview, and she was so impressed with that she invited me in for an in-person interview. So I came in, we had a wonderful conversation, and she felt very confident based on my experience as having taught in public school settings at the university level. And she's like, oh yeah, you're hired. And that was on a Friday, and I started on a Monday teaching Spanish here at Prince George's Community College. So that is how I actually began my journey here at the college as an internship. And then my journey continued beyond teaching in the classroom. I transitioned into an advisor position. Director level positions came thereafter. But the point of it is, internships have been highly impactful in my life to where I have benefited personally from an internship experience, a paid one at that, and then it subsequently turned into a professional opportunity that has blessed my entire family. The internship program at Prince George's Community College seeks to prepare and position Prince George's Community College students for wonderful career opportunities, short-term and long-term. Internships provide a pathway to careers. For many students, it provides them with an opportunity to explore a career interest, and for others, it provides that critical, relevant experience that they need to be able to position themselves for opportunities with employers. Employers appreciate knowing that you've gotten a fantastic education, but what about the application of that knowledge? Internships gives them the opportunity to communicate what it is that they know how to do. And in that regard, they're better positioned to vie for career opportunities. And that's exactly what we want our students to do, to vie for those opportunities, get those opportunities, and thrive within those opportunities. With our internship program, it's very student-centered and student-based. So our students look for opportunities and they utilize resources that we have here at the college to assist them in identifying appropriate opportunities that satisfy curricular requirements. So industries are vast. We have pathways that tie in academic work with career industries that our students are interested in, all the way from allied health and nursing, public safety and law, behavioral and social sciences, liberal and creative arts, STEM, and everything in between. Let me not forget my friends in the business area. And so our students communicate a particular interest and look for opportunities, again, utilizing resources that we have at the college. The Office of Career Development and Internships work with community partners, organizations, nonprofits, to explore partnerships and opportunities for our students so that we can assist with their recruitment efforts and help connect our students with those opportunities. We are using a new platform at the college called OWL Careers. And this is where our employers are able to upload their career opportunities into the system and our students are able to view those opportunities and consider and apply to those opportunities as well. And so as we help to make those connections, we find that our students feel more confident as they pursue the opportunities. Our employers are more encouraged by the quality candidates that they are receiving. And our faculty also play a part as they also engage with the employers. We host our virtual career and internship fairs every semester. And within those opportunities, employers, again, connect with our students, share information about the industry, and engage with our students in meaningful ways. So much so that students move forward in their pursuit of the opportunities that are presented. And that's exactly what we want to do, continue to help make connections. Students need to have those professional skills in order to be successful once they're in their internships. And so we really want to make sure that they are aware of professional skills. We host virtual webinars to really focus on those skills that they need. Learning how to effectively communicate, competitive resume writing, participating in mock interviewing, just a host of different skills and competencies that they need to have to be successful as they begin their journey into internships and once they're actually in the internship experience. And again, we host these webinars every fall and spring semester. We also invite our employer partners to come and network with our students and share insights on best practices within the industry. It's nothing like hearing from the source about expectations. It's one thing to have an idea, it's another thing to know definitively. And we want to make sure our students are positioned to hear directly from the source so that they know how to best present themselves as excellent candidates for opportunities. Students need to avoid waiting until the last minute to seek out an internship opportunity. I feel like we live in a microwave society where everyone expects everything to happen just like that. That's not reality. Now, granted, I can wave my magic wand here and there and make some magic happen, but that's not commonplace. So we really do have to prepare. So we encourage our students, rather we strongly encourage our students to prepare a semester in advance. And what does that preparation look like? I'm glad you asked that question. It looks like making sure that resume is right and tight, meaning that it's professional grade, error-free, and ready for distribution. Doing some preliminary research about potential sites of where you want to do an internship and start looking at the opportunities that are out there and begin the application process. Go through the application process because now you've got to get that position locked down so that when it comes time to enroll in that internship course, you're ready because you've secured your position. We also have a student guide to internships available on the college's website. We encourage our students to review that document so that they understand step by step what it is that they need to do and understand the appropriate deadlines that they need to honor so that when it's time for enrollment in their internship courses, there are no hindrances. And so that's a critical piece, making sure that they don't wait, but rather they prepare a semester in advance. Critical piece. Another pitfall that we have found students to fall into is that they fail to use free and available resources. We have a host of career-based resources right here at Prince George's Community College. We want to encourage students to not just take a look at it, but truly invest some time into exploring these tools and utilizing them so that they are ready to move forward in the internship enrollment process. And it is a process, and it is an electronic-based process at that, utilizing our careers. So we want to make sure, again, that students are aware it takes time to go through this process, and they must be intentional about seeking out the opportunities in advance so that they're ready to go through the enrollment process, particularly for those students who are seeking to earn credit for their internship experiences. What we have noticed is that when individuals consider college, they're often thinking about a four-year institution. They're not thinking 2-year degree granting institutions, and Prince George's Community College is such an institution. We have excellent students and fantastic faculty, and that's why our students are so prepared for these opportunities, and we can compete with the best of them. But that's the point. We want to make sure our students understand that they are receiving a quality education at Prince George's Community College that not only prepares them for the workforce, but should they choose to continue their education beyond Prince George's Community College, they're more than ready to do so. And so as employers consider Prince George's Community College students, they understand, hey, we're getting great candidates who know what it takes to be successful. They've proven themselves in the classroom. They're prepared to go into the workforce and assist us in achieving our organizational missions. So our students can compete with the best of them because we prepared them to compete. And we want to make sure that they know they have what it takes. And we affirm our students, and they prove themselves day in and day out in the classrooms. And they're taking that wonderful knowledge and all those fantastic experiences that our faculty afford our students and move it right into the workforce. And that's why employers keep coming back to Prince George's Community College. I received a phone call just yesterday from the Hill. Yes, government is looking at Prince George's Community College because we have quality candidates. We have been invited to go to the Hill to learn directly from the source about a variety of internship opportunities. Prince George's is that caliber. Prince George's Community College is exceptional, and no one is going to overlook our students because we are professional grade. Internships. Everybody can do one. Let me just put that out there. Because there are some people who think, well, my program doesn't require one. And you're right. There are certain academic programs that do not require an internship. And they might not even be an elective, and that's still okay. The point behind an internship is to, again, prepare students and position students for future career opportunities. We have exploratory experiences that our students can get into to really affirm their academic and career choices. Then we have more experiential-based internships where students are utilizing all of that preparation from the coursework that they've taken and applying it in real-world scenarios. I strongly encourage students to, at the very least, participate in exploratory internships, even if they are enrolled in programs that do not require an internship. Explore and affirm, and then move forward in the curriculum as it indicates. You can't lose, and you have everything to gain from having that experience. Not to mention, it's a wonderful resume builder. The more that you can show in terms of your commitment to a career path or an industry, the more impressive you are, and the more that you can compete with others who are similarly situated. And so I strongly encourage every student, consider doing an internship. It may or may not be a full internship experience. It may be a micro internship, and that's great too. Again, internships are preparing our students and positioning our students for their career futures. Let's not miss that opportunity. One great success story in terms of our internship program is Miss Emily Vanegas. Emily is a computer science major here at Prince George's Community College, and I had the privilege of meeting her acquaintance back in March of 2025. Emily stopped by the Office of Career Development and Internships to explore internships and scholarships. We sat down, we talked about her interests. I shared with her information about our upcoming virtual career and internship fairs, provided her with resource information about preparing for internships. She took that information to heart and subsequently pursued internship opportunities with Penn State. Yes, Penn State University. Emily is participating in a highly competitive internship experience and is also part of a specialized mentorship program at the institution. She is the only community college student in the program, and she is rubbing shoulders with students at four-year institutions and doing marvelously. We are so proud of the work that she's doing and how she is representing Prince George's Community College and the quality students that come from a community college environment. I'm very much looking forward to seeing and hearing more about her internship experience as it concludes for summer 2025. I am Alicia Jackson Warren. I serve as the Program Director of Career Development and Internships at Prince George's Community College.
Contact us today at owlcareers@Prince George's Community College. You can reach us in person at our Office of Career Development and Internships at Lanham Hall on the address on the screen. You can also reach our student email address, internships@pgcc.edu, or our employer partner email, employerpartners@pgcc.edu. You can also visit our website for more information. That's www.pgcc.edu/internships, or our careers platform at pgcc-csm.simplicity.com. Thanks for joining us on The Intern.